What's up, guys? I'm gonna build this shelf here today in my garage. I insulated it and hung everything up already. And now I'm taking it all back down and I'm going to pretty much build this like catwalk way. It's about 5 foot deep, so I could have some more room for my car, move everything over here, so I have room to work on it. So here we go. So here it is so far. I made it wide enough, 7 feet in between, to be able to back my pickup in there, in here, because I don't think it's quite long enough since I have it about 5 feet out from the wall here. And I didn't take into account, obviously, that I laid this. I had to add that extra piece, that extra layer there, because when I put this on top of my supports, this tilted back. I spaced that. I was kind of in a hurry. It's middle of November and it's a nice day, and obviously I didn't get started. It's laid out. I didn't get started till, 2, 3 o'clock right now. I think it's coming up on 4. It's not bad, honestly, for just whipping through this quick, but I'm gonna go across the street, get some more wood. Get 2 more pieces of plywood. Since the couch is so wide, I had to go 5 feet. I was gonna go just 4 feet straight across, and that's what you guys could do if you ever did this, but I went 5 feet here to here, but if you did 4 feet, you could just do 1.5 pieces of plywood, because I'd put you 16 foot, 8 foot pieces each. My setup is about 12 foot wide here. So I'm going to go across the street and get some more plywood. It'd be cheaper if you guys did it that way, but I'm gonna get the rest of that plywood. And this is a 3/4 inch piece. And if you go to Menards, they have discount pieces in the back, and a lot of times all it is this stuff like this. Just be chipped away or just kind of broken in half. If if you're building 2 things, you need 2 pieces for something. It's a good way to get that discount. This piece was 15 bucks for a 4x8 sheet, and the OSB press is usually about, I want to say $10, $5 to $10, depending on how damaged it is. But yeah, you guys, pro tip on the cheap wood there. So far, put that extra cross brace under there. I might brace it some more this way too. We'll see though. But let's see, it's just perfect for me to walk under. And yeah, I'm gonna take all that stuff down, throw the couch up, TV, get everything mounted and moved and situated where I want now, and then kind of go from there and see if I'm either gonna build a ladder up one of these sides here, kind of like that, up to the loft area here, storage, or stairs. I'm leaning towards a ladder, but we'll see. Here's how all this turned out, guys, at the very end. Everything, a lot more space in here. Used to have all those toolboxes back there along the walls and all the shelving and stuff along here. Wasn't much space to just work on my car or anything else for that matter. So now that I have this loft here, more space for my couch and everything, and just enough space to walk under there without ducking my head, so that's nice. But I said I added one more brace in the middle once I got everything situated where I wanted it. Just to give it a little more support in the center. But like I said, you can pull yourself up on this. It's pretty easy to build, pretty straightforward. That's how it turned out, so let me know what you guys think. If you have any other questions, let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching.